It's Peter here, and I'm at the QMHE 2025. I got David from Hobartville Models Hobbies, sorry, and yeah, he's going to just show us his new 48 scale CT-4 Airtrainer kit. Hi, David.
Hi, Peter. Yeah, this is a new release for us. To be honest, it would have been released yesterday, but the canopies are actually still at Sydney Airport at Customs waiting to get to me by post. So, unfortunately, we don't actually have something that we can sell right now. But what we do have is the CT-4, the Pacific Aircraft Corporation CT-4, fuselage halves, a pair of wings, obviously, tail surfaces. Decal sheet for 4 different options, including an aircraft research and development unit bird, number 27. What's included in the kit is the brass parts for the assembly, so you don't need to go and hunt up brass on your own. You've actually got it there right now. And something that's fairly new for us is the caging of parts. So you've got one cage here, which is all the cockpit parts. So you've got your seats, your center console, instrument panel, control columns, and the rollover cage. And you've also got in there the pitot tube and the canopy handle. This cage is for all of the landing gear parts. So you've got your landing gear struts and your wheels there. Propeller and the 2 exhaust studs, as well as a little clear box here that contains the landing light for the port wing, and also the 2 beacons on the bottom and top of the aircraft. So hopefully it'll be released properly by the end of the week. There's also a 72nd scale version. 72nd scale will run out at $70 plus shipping, and the 48 scale is going out at $110.
Okay, thank you, David. It looks really a great kit, and yeah, we look forward to it being available for sale.
Me too.
Okay.